Hey everyone, today I am reviewing a random contractor's website, and it is actually a home builder in Philly, and boy, do they do great work and have a website that probably loses them $500,000 every single year. Check it out. Hey everyone, this is Logan Shinholster, and let's go ahead and jump on into a random home builder in Philadelphia's website. Let's see what we got. So the whole goal of this site is to build enough trust, show people what they want in order to get them to fill out a lead form or give you a call, right? At the end of the day, that's what we want, right? We're in business. We want to generate leads. We want to generate sales because sales make the world go round. So there's 5 aspects of the website that need to be on in order for people to move forward. Initial reaction of the website. How easy is it to use? How personalized does it feel? How much do you show them and back up what you're saying with actual tangible things? And last but not least, how solid of website practices do you use? So, home builder, Philly. The first one we got D'Antonio and Bon Giovanni Builders, custom home builder, 4.3 stars with 11 ratings. That it's either that one. We're definitely not going to go with Post Green Homes or Kumas Homes, 4.5. You know, we're going to go with this one because it's got more reviews. But 4.3, if you're about to spend a lot of money, it's going to be kind of a tough pull, right? Like a house is what, $700,000 for like a nice house in Philadelphia. 4.3 stars, you want them a little bit higher. All right, so initial gut reaction, not great. Not a great initial gut reaction. Here's what I mean. It just looks old, right? I like the pictures, kind of. But initial gut reaction is we want something a little bit more sleek and a little bit wider and larger. In this, you know, it's D'Antonio Bon Giovanni Builders, general contractor serving the Delaware Valley. We want something a little bit more home building-esque, right? Because remember on this page it said custom home builders. Now, granted, Google can kind of shift what they want to categorize your company as, but nowhere here do I see anything about home building. It's all kitchens, bathrooms, additions, cabinetry, and millwork. So if that's the case, then this may not be a home builder for me, and I would leave. All right, so that's one of the first things to think about is somebody's coming in here to get a home from you. If you are categorizing yourself as a home builder, that's fine. Make sure that you're showing that. So initial gut reaction, also it's a lot of text right here. It's a random picture of some dude with a hard hat on. It's just not great. Doesn't make me feel like I'm at home. All right, so initial gut reaction, not what I would want out of a home builder. This is kind of how we position things. Nice big images, luxury features, modern design, built for connection. So it's really hammering home that we're high end, right? Don't come to us with some cheap ass project. Home building, addition / remodeling, or commercial. Those are like your real 3 options. And the rest of the site's just pretty straightforward, pretty easy to get to do, right? That's what we really want when it all comes down to it. So that's your first aspect is initial gut reaction. How's it feel? This website versus this website. Just think to yourself, which one am I way more likely to actually move forward with and spend money? All right. Next thing is we want this to be an easy website to use. So what generally happens with people is when they come to a website, a remodeling website, we need to guide them in the right direction. Right? We do have buttons here that we can either choose and go, are we going to kitchens? Are we going to additions? Are we going to custom built cabinetry? Oh, actually, I guess these aren't buttons. These just control the slider. Oh, wow. Okay. In this case, what you'll find is what generally happens with home builders and remodelers is people want to see your portfolio or they want to learn more about what services you offer. But we said portfolio. So what's that mean? If you're not ready to move forward with your project or to contact us, let's at least progress the sale in some way. And that's where we pull in the View Art portfolio, right? It's a pretty large portfolio. He's just got a bunch of different homes, you know, that you can check out and see all the different floor plans, pictures, things like that. So in this case, as far as how easy is it to use the site, not so much because if each one of these is not actually a button, which is unfortunate. So now you got to go to the services. Let's see what we got. Services, home remodeling, kitchens, bathrooms, home additions, additional construction. Yeah, this is just, it's just outdated. It's like super outdated. I mean, imagine you're about to spend a lot of money on kitchen renovations. If you come to their website, how are you going to feel? Right? With this, let's go back to the custom built homes because that's really what we're selling in this case. You know, it just kind of walks them through the basics of it. You know, why a new home? Modern style, open floor plans, customizable applications. See our portfolio. Here's the basics of how it works. Here's an actual video of us building one. You know, it just kind of makes you feel more at home, and it's easier to navigate through the site. Because if you notice, we went from, you know, custom built homes, and then once you get through it, at the bottom, let's talk about it. Let's get started. And guess what's here? The get a quote. It's that easy, right? It's pretty straightforward. So that's really the goal here, is to move forward with and progress the sale. But this page doesn't do that. This website just kind of stops you. You can't see their work. You don't know anything. Oh, maybe work? Oh, just old, man. Great work. I mean, if this is legit their work, they do fantastic work. It's very attractive, but they are not doing themselves justice by having a website that looks like this. They're leaving a lot of money on the table. My guess is if they do these types of additions, they're probably leaving $500,000 a year on the table, at least. Because all you got to do is think about it. There's 10 people that are willing to spend 50 grand on a new kitchen or a new addition that come to this website and go, you know what? They're old. They're just old school. Imagine if you're them and you're competing against this. You know, this portfolio where you can come through and you can actually check out, you know, like the homes, right? Let's say you're looking at this and you're looking at the addition and you're trying to find out the work, and you have to compete against somebody who has pictures like this, you know, and it's all laid out and organized and it's nice and neat. Great, you ready? Let's get an estimate. Like, it's that easy. It's just simple. So the ease of use is big. The show me factor of this website, it's not really there. They do have a portfolio. They have a couple, but the portfolio itself just doesn't, I mean, like, just look at the difference in like the wow factor, right? When you're scrolling through it, you've got this versus this, right? Like, you can pull these up. They're much larger images. They look better. They feel better. They smell better. They just are better. That image versus that image. That one versus that one. Which one does it for you? That's how a homeowner thinks, all right? Show me factor is big. They don't personalize stuff. That's one of the biggest aspects of it. So with custom built homes, let's go back to that, right? Some of the big things, right, that people actually want. Work with us to develop your ideal floor plan. Stay completely in the know with our project management software. Live in your dream home for years to come, right? That's really the big reasons why people move forward. They want to live in their dream home, their forever home. They want this to be an easy process. They want help. That's exactly what we've done here, right? Sometimes the houses that are on the market just won't do. They may not match your lifestyle, your family size, or your personal taste. And as one of the largest purchases in your life, this isn't one that you should just settle on. This is where a custom-built home may help. Versus, let's see what they say. Let's just pick first, home remodeling. Our experts offer kitchen and bathroom remodeling ideas and much more. Look, read the difference in that. Our experts offer kitchen and bathroom remodeling ideas and much more versus sometimes the houses that are on the market just won't do. They may not match your lifestyle, your family size, or your personal taste as one of the largest purchases in your life. This isn't one you should just settle on. This is where a custom-built home may come in. Which one do you feel more connected to? If you're a homeowner, and I get it, they're selling two different services, but one is, you know, if we took this idea and put it over here, it would just say your custom-built home is the top, and then under it, it would say, we help you build your home and more. And that's it. Like, how pointless is that? That's what we're trying to avoid here. Make it personalized. All right. Last but not least, one of the last things that we want to do is best website practices. This one doesn't have any of it. You want people to come in, have a nice contact button in the top right. You want a headline right here, a subheadline right here. You want buttons that guide people to exactly where you want them to go on the website. Right? With this, we know that most people go to the portfolio page, not because we put a button here, but because we track where do people go on the website. And the easier that we can get people to exactly where they want to go, the more likely it is that they're going to work with us. In this case, I don't know. It's not doing it. Best website practices, Contractor is up there, but it doesn't stand out. There's no buttons in the middle, no headline, no subheadline. The logo is massive. In this case, the logo is small because we're not Nike, we're not Uber, we're not Jordan. We don't have this brand notoriety. All right, so all in all, it looks like they do fantastic work, but their website is killing them. If they're doing well, and they're like, yep, we're booked out with work, that's probably because they just work 100% off referrals, but trust me, especially in Philly, they're losing at least $500,000 every single year with this website. There you go. Do me a favor, if this makes sense to you, click the button below, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time.